Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. The XRP community has also continued to point out possible compromises in the SEC's handling of XRP and Ethereum. They argue the SEC has reached the end of the line, as all evidence suggests that the Commission will be unable to prove wrongdoing on the part of Ripple's executives. There's no way the SEC can meet its burden. The SEC must prove the two executives had actual knowledge XRP was a security or was reckless in not knowing. Popular XRP supporter, attorney John Deaton recently said. Deaton has also chronicled some incriminating evidence against the SEC. Deaton argues that former SEC chair, Jay Clayton, as well as Bill Hinman, had very obvious ties with key players connected to the Ethereum blockchain. These connections had a role in engineering the SEC's move to call XRP a security and filing a lawsuit against Ripple. Backing this, he presents several instances that show that prior to 2020, the SEC had no clarity on if XRP was a security or not. Ripple's recent victories in court, the latest rulings in court, have been leaning in favor of Ripple. Last week, Judge Analisa Torres struck down a SEC motion to file a reply in support of a motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. Before that, the XRP community also welcomed the unsealing of 2 Ripple memos. These memos clearly showed that XRP was not a security, as Ripple's general counsel, Stu Alderodi, stated in the aftermath of their unsealing. To achieve a common goal of getting clear regulations. Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and others have even noted that the Ripple case was a make-it-or-break-it case for the entire crypto industry. Ripple v.SEC. While the SEC lawsuit has lasted for over 14 months, it may not be long before a judgment is reached in the case. Several projections, including from Jeremy Hogan, anticipate the case to round up in the third quarter of this year. The case is also increasingly tilting in Ripple's favor going by the latest rulings. Last week, presiding judge Analisa Torres ruled to deny the SEC's motion to strike out Ripple's fair notice defense. The ruling opens the door for Ripple to argue that the SEC failed to warn the firm of wrongdoing before it filed a lawsuit. And second news today about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge seat boost in Ukraine as President Zelensky legalizes crypto. The Ministry of Digital Transformation of Ukraine has officially confirmed the legalization of the crypto sector by Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin donations to the country soar past $100 million. Ukraine's Parliament Verkhovna Rada passed a law that legalized digital assets, including crypto, last month. President Zelensky has now signed the law on virtual assets, thus fulfilling the final requirement for establishing the legal status of cryptocurrencies in the country. The law enables Ukrainian and foreign crypto exchanges to operate legally in the country. Closer government's monitoring of the thinking crypto host also accused Bitcoin critics, especially XRP proponents, of wanting to see the EU proposal to ban proof-of-work cryptos, and by extension Bitcoin, be upheld. However, he remarked that a vicious ban on Bitcoin would make the entire crypto market go extinct. Not surprising, lots of Bitcoin haters were pushing this, but Bitcoin is here to stay, whether people like it or not. There would be no crypto market without BTC. Edward expressed. It is not uncommon to see squabbles happen on crypto Twitter as various interests get pitted against each other. Another case in point is recent events that saw Do Kwon, the CEO of Terra Labs, enter a wager that the value of Luna would be above $88 in 1 year. This was to rebuff claims that Terra's Anchor protocol was a Ponzi scheme. However, several key market players have called for more cooperation in the community. Torres denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. The SEC alleged that the payments company unlawfully sold XRP as an unregistered security, a position the regulator maintained to this day. Now, Brad Garlinghouse celebrated this win while speaking in an interview on Bloomberg. Call for a celebration. The recent court decision to not strike Ripple's fair notice defense was a victory for the entire crypto industry. Garlinghouse asserted. I think it is a victory not just for Ripple the company, but also the whole crypto industry. The SEC, I think, has consistently tried to really expand their reach and their control over the crypto industry. We've seen that not just with Ripple but in other cases. Although, call for an urgent need for regulatory clarity in the US. If we want the US to be a leader in this new growing critical innovative industry, like the internet 20 years ago, we need that regulatory clarity, he added. Something that plaintiff was unable to do. The SEC is really just coming out and saying we are going to file lawsuits, enforcement. They are not going to provide clear rules, so that people know how to operate as other countries have done. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.